Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a braid. So welcome.
Netflix. Man say, if you have Netflix, you must have something another.
Everything.
Internet, Netflix, Netflix. Lice and nets.
Shut up, man. You're taking a piss.
Oh, 3-pack of 6-pack biscuits.
Is that the last pack? This one?
No, is it?
Mm-hmm. That's gonna finish, man.
Yeah.
You put peas on a forehead.
For
You
what?
have a kind of forehead there, you know.
Fuck off, man.
It was.
Fuck off, Dennis. I'm gonna take a piece of fried.
You say the piece of feed.
A piece of head. That fucking spam head you got this week.
You have my forehead. I'm gonna make you put up with you.
What are you trying to say? Yeah, fuck that.
Your mother had a dream and breathe.
Yeah. When she turned Holy Mary.
Remember
When she turned Holy Mary, Mother of God, right? You bitch.
if you are as you breathe.
Yeah. Move, Dennis.
Prayer.
Prayer is the key, you know, love. Open all doors. Open all Marcus gave his cell. Yeah. We think let out my mom out of jail from South Africa, Nelson Mandela. I pray, you know. And
pray.
music, reggae music, let him out.
I pray our music, let you know.
I seduce President Botha. And look, you know what I read Nelson Mandela? The man, they're jail for 28 years. Come out and pardon the man and send him in jail.
You have time for think.
No.
28 years, I would have time to think.
No. Them really free him up. You send me go to prison for 28 years. And me come out and pardon you.
You're an idiot.
That big lunatic. And at the same time, your people in their country, Soweto, I'm an MP for Soweto, and Soweto is the poorest place on earth. And I'm a big him up all my Nobel Prize winner. Nobel Peace Prize winner. When you go to prison for 28 years.
Oh my God. Look at how sorry this is meant to be. Like, it's a talk show in here.
It's a talk show.
Yeah, talk.
He made a stepfather.
True, you know?
Yeah.
Joseph and Jesus.
No, a stepdaddy. But you see the Bible say Joseph is Jesus' father. And then you have God, who is father of everybody, is everybody's father. So hold on. He put Jesus inside of Mary's stomach. So that means when Mary's sleeping.
You must give me some wine.
Watch me.
Grape wine.
He must be red. And then now, he must disappear and go back in wherever he is. And turn around and say, well, yeah, you're breathing.
And put it on Joseph.
Yeah.
Then could I lock up Joseph too, you know?
You get me? Jail for eating. Lying to me as a kid when I small and I believe it's Jesus, he's the father.
But I don't never tell me the truth. And if Adam and Eve was alive, then we'd have made that.
Well, don't you have talk about them too, yeah? Because let me tell you something. While freaking Eve, it's kind of like, you know how I noticed her hands and her feet is bigger than my dad's?
When you say hands and that figure your dad.
Yeah.
So yes, something ain't right.
Yeah, something ain't right. And then her name is Vanessa as well.
Vanessa.
And then every time when she walks, I'm always like looking down, like to see if anything is from a distance.
So the bell ring.
Yeah, or something. Yeah.
You never seen a bell though.
Who tell you that? Now coming from Western Eye Hospital, I was working in Western Eye
Hey,
Hospital.
Yeah.
what's up?
Now can I have a duplex?
corner shit.
Hi.
You guys
Hi.
win the game yet?
I was in
Yeah.
Westmoreland
Who
Hospital.
win? Who win?
And this barrister came out to visit
You won
his
it?
friends.
Yeah, I'm Shakari.
Yay!
When the woman bent down to fix his shoes,
Yay, grandson. Big up you that.
the whole world and a half. And even said now I'm walking past and I'm like, oh, I hope you enjoy your night.
Enjoy your night.
Even said that to the man, I hope you enjoy your night. He was like, yeah, I will. I was like, okay. There, you see all them man and them, all them liars and all them big top people, I don't just drop their socks lower than it's supposed to be.
You know what I want to do the top part, you know, we put a crown in that now.
Come on.
What they call that step now you buy a shop.
Who?
Where? You just set some.
What they call it again?
Fruity. I said it.
So no, with some kind of name you just call it ingredient or ring something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you call it again. No, I don't like them.
I ring up a head top there.
No. What do you ask there? You think I look like a judge? Gone from them.
Sure.
What is wrong with you? Then it's move, man. You're trying to diss me and tell me I look like a judge.
No, me I want more look. Are you my daughter-in-law, you know?
Yeah, make a
How would you criticize you? What kind of thing that? Using the royal family, what the fuck? I'm a king, you know. You're a princess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't feel like one. I don't have no money.
Well,
your stepfather.
I've transferred some
My
money.
father-in-law don't have money too.
I'll transfer.
I still
Hello. A point of order. I will transfer some money in your account as soon as
You're married.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, I go down and fucking find Prince tomorrow. Book him a ticket near the end of the month, and as soon as the flight lifted,
I'll make sure.
And the money
I can sell piece of land. I can do.
You can sell your heart, sell your land, whatever
I
it
want
is.
to sell
But we
my
haven't
house though.
Yeah, but hear what? You can sell any pot what you want in the world. All I know is I want a wedding in
I
Sandals.
said I'll deposit. I'll make
Sandals.
sure that you
That's
become.
money.
I want a wedding in Sandals, you hear?
Sandals. I'll call George Bush. I'll call
Whatever, Donald
what Bush
Trump.
man name? What Bush man own Sandals name? Nikki. What Bush name? A Bush name or native Bush?
Where?
The rich man who owns Sandals.
I don't know my name.
Well, you
You
need
know
to
some
find
rich people at Jamaica and then
well,
just-
you need to find out, okay, if it's
They're not even
exposed.
Jamaican though.
No, well, me contacts from contacts, so.
Well, you need to contact from now. Okay,
Still
if I'm going to
still
marry your
contacts.
son and give my whole British passport, you need to pay for the wedding.
What I was
That
envisaging.
British passport don't come cheap.
Look, I was determined to decide. Look, as the parent who is responsible for the wedding,
Yeah.
I was determined to decide it was at the Port Antonio Pier.
Yeah, you pay?
Oh, you up your feet, so
Feel cool and shit. 'Cause I don't want to marry somebody and tell me how they going back in Jamaica next week, you know.
You know I want to go back next week. And we feel explorable.
I hope the ex-girlfriend don't give me no problem.
Ex-girlfriend got their teacher college. She meet me see her what they with her man. She stop. With their Portland Nikki, and Miss One car stop. You see cool girl come out. I said, forgive me for what happened between me and Prince, but he's okay now, is he? She broke your heart.
Well, don't worry, I ain't gonna break his. As long as he's a
When
good
them man
boy.
they love, when them man they love, them love deep down, you know. I tell him for a long time, say, we'll get bored, you know. Because I tell you, you know, say, because I gave money if you never your father.
you're slightly. Sure. Yeah.
Wee! Aye!
Aye. I want the hat.
And the baby said, go sleep. Percy.
Percy.
And a good man.
And put him on a donkey. Lord of mercy, send down Percy, put him on a donkey.
Why? That's why when some people about God have mercy, Lord have no mercy upon them, then
No.
just give them it so.
And just tell them come back later.
You don't deserve mercy. Take war. Take pressure, boy. Take pressure. You look good though.
Huh?
You look different.
You know me? I always have to look different then. It's one thief have to go and rob a bank now, you want me to look the same?
You better rob Kentucky.
No, I'm not robbing no Kentucky
Not
because I don't
now.
make no money.
Rob
I want a nice bank, the Bank of England or something. I changing my appearance.
Look for your phone if you turn on.
What do you mean if it
Mine?
turn on?
God, they sitting there turn on phone, you know.
Let me tell you something, if I rob...
Who wants some money?
Still.
Who wants some money, yo?
Yeah,
Want some money, oh.
I ain't getting no fucking money. I still broke and I still hungry, same way.
Nick, yo.
Yeah, yo.
You're telling me, oh...
Want to Jamaica, oh.
Oh, I think I see you from somewhere. Where is it? You're very lovely, my sister. Where are you going today?
You know, Kobe, you
Ball, it's a ball.
That's it.
In a ball. One tea, I think they come.
You see ear top 10 now. Have a look out, ear dropping out.
My head is dropping out there, so. That's one thing about that hair party. I'm saying is, she
What you
can have
say?
a boyfriend.
It's so like, you sure if you never turn back, I probably him.
The dog will follow you, you know. Hide your own corner, you know. Aries.
Aries. No, she's not here.
I know she there. Hold on. Something run there a while ago.
Fuck up
They
there.
run this one like an ass, so. Boom, boom, boom.
You said tomorrows.
Like they say when a man, they say when a man, if a man is a butcher and him dead, in turn rolling car.
Is it?
Rolling car run me down one night, you know.
Why am I doing back to your face and ask the question later?
If me tell you, if it was him done, if it was him, my
You
boy,
see it.
when he-
Yeah, Danny, you know, you
You
go to
see.
say Danny and Trump.
No, you add for that.
He loves Trump. He loves
You
Trump.
love
no,
Trump.
and that man matter what no.
You see it.
Bold, if you see him dead there, and me that run the night there, that, you see that look like stupid.
Yeah,
That lose.
yeah, we live.
Me that win him man, rolling car for come.
So they run fast.
The chain alone make the noise and then now come, you know. You hear the chain a come and the rolling car now reach you, you know. Chain will kill you.
We say you the cheat, so it sound like it dead
Yeah,
near.
they're near the chain.
Mm.
And you know one of the chain they run by you.
Okay, if you hit you, you're dead.
Then normal man.
Watch me one time, yeah. I did one day and I say I wear a red nice piece of outfit and go down the road. Dennis had to jump over a freaking fence. I see what.
A grenade.
Yeah, and it run me down the road. We see the traffic. And the car in the middle.
When you stop at traffic light,
Traffic and the car run.
you never stop at traffic light.
No, I said traffic and the car run me down.
In a traffic.
In a traffic.
So you never
Yes.
stop at traffic light then.
Huh?
You never stop at traffic light.
With you.
Hey!
I don't stop in traffic light for what? To do what? You must be crazy.
And where Fico? I must be.
I must want it dead.
Oh my god.
Yeah, nah. Them kind of behavior they ain't grinning, huh? When you see car ready for you, you just have to run.
I'm call ready for your run.
Yeah, boy.
You can, you know, if you do this small.